Picture this. Waking up every day to the retirement of your dreams, stress-free, financially secure, and full of adventure. Sounds amazing, right? But how do you actually turn that dream into reality? In this video, I'll share step-by-step strategies to help you create the retirement you've always envisioned. Stay tuned, your dream life is closer than you think. Number 1. Define your retirement vision. The first step to turning your retirement dreams into reality is to clearly define what those dreams look like. Do you want to travel the world? Start a small business? Spend more time with family? Knowing your goals helps you plan effectively. Write it all down. Be specific about the lifestyle you want and the costs associated with it. Remember, the clearer your vision, the easier it is to create a roadmap to get there. Number 2. Start saving and investing early, or catch up fast. The earlier you start saving, the better. Compound interest is your best friend. But even if you're starting late, don't worry. By maximizing your 401k and IRA contributions, and taking advantage of catch-up options, you can still build a solid retirement fund. Consider diversifying your portfolio with a mix of stocks, bonds, and index funds to balance risk and growth potential. Number 3. Budget and eliminate debt. A big part of turning your dreams into reality is creating a realistic budget and eliminating unnecessary debt. High-interest debt can eat away at your savings, so focus on paying it down as quickly as possible. Number 4. Leverage passive income streams. Want to make your money work for you? Set up passive income streams like rental properties, dividends, or even online businesses. Passive income can help cover expenses and give you extra financial freedom in retirement. Remember, even small streams of passive income add up over time. The goal is to create multiple sources of income that support your dream lifestyle. Number 5. Stay flexible and adjust as needed. Life is unpredictable, and so are finances. Staying flexible and revisiting your retirement plan every year ensures you're always on track, even if things change. Consider working with a financial advisor to navigate unexpected challenges and make adjustments to your investment strategy. Number 6. Focus on health and longevity. Here's something people often forget: your health is a major part of enjoying your retirement dreams. Staying active, eating well, and planning for healthcare costs can make a huge difference in how fulfilling your retirement years are. A healthier you means more time to enjoy the lifestyle you've worked so hard to build. Your dream retirement is closer than you think. With the right mindset and strategies, you can turn those dreams into a reality. Which tip resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on financial freedom, investing, and retirement planning. Thanks for watching. Now go make those dreams happen.